I don't know why he said 2. I don't know if there's 2 different things or what in the heck is that? What is that?
Oh yeah. So let's. The box within a box. Oh, yeah, this is something we haven't opened before. Let's. Here we go. Oh, okay.
Here, I'm gonna read it.
I know what it is.
Oh, very.
I'm gonna give you guys a quick look. You ready?
Ah!
That was it. I hope you screenshot it.
Puzzle towels, fry pan, bath mat, LED lights, floor mat, solar panels, dinosaur,
Dinosaurs!
shoe rack,
Well, how heavy is it?
notebooks, wall charger.
It's not that heavy. It's about a pound, 1 to 2 pounds.
The box is very fancy on the outside. I'm just gonna open up.
Fancy box.
Take a look on the inside here.
Fancy box.
See if there's more to this.
I did a photo book. Very close.
Ooh.
I'm going to go Evans Family. You're going to get 1 entry draw for that, but it's not correct.
It's not a photo book. It's not a hose. It's not a
But
scrapbook.
you're in the right area. You're in that kind of right. You're close enough.
Oh, this is really cool.
Yeah, yeah.
This is something
Your daughter would like.
my daughter would love it, and it's something that you could literally create and spend years like you can hand this down for generations. A baby book, close, organizer, scrapbook. It is like that, like it's a baby book, but it'd be something that you would like, precious things that you would.
This is
scrapbook, close.
This is almost
family
like where
history.
you hold your directional manuals to the way to a man's heart.
Ooh, that's a good clue.
The
Photo calendar.
directional
Lemon
manual.
scrapbook paper. You guys are kind of
Look
close.
at you guys jumping all over the place now. Family tree photo album. PC
Journal, diary,
PC Pepper's like, I saw 1 image.
family recipe book.
Who said
Oh,
that? Family
Doris.
recipe book. Correct.
Yes,
Doris.
Doris.
It is a binder to hold all your recipes.
It is. It comes in this really cool box. Okay, it comes in this really beautiful box, and it's from the company Swift Cube. And inside, it's got this binder that says recipes. And then when you open it, it's got all these recipe cards. It also has like sheets that you can add stuff to here. And this is so cool.
It's like an octopus that's just come out of.
Yeah, I am. Oh, this is neat. It's got these dividers in it. This is really a cool book. This is really neat. This is
and it's
cool.
also inside the binder, you will see that it actually has kitchen measurement and conversion charts, as well as ingredient substitutions over here, which is phenomenal. I Google this information all the time, so to be able to quickly flip it open right next to the recipe and go, oh yeah, not a problem. So for example here, if you don't have baking powder, you can use cream of tartar or baking soda.
Oh,
Who knew that?
ingredient substitutes. Well, I didn't know that.
I did.
Okay.
I used to bake.
This is really neat. I like this. And it also has these cover sheets and little stickers here that you can write on. But it also has these sheets as well that are perforated that you can put the little, wherever these go. You can put these will fit in there. The index cards will fit in there.
Just slip in.
So you just slip your index cards in, and then you can have all of your recipes organized.
So all that. My grandmother had a bunch of these tiny little cards, as well as little cuttings from the newspaper, and she had them all in this old cookbook, and you'd flip through. This would have been and this was basically her curtains. Back to what I was
Awesome. Okay.
I actually made pizza for them the very first time.
Let's see who's got this. Let's see
who got the first one?
I don't see it yet. Jot and Mark Deluxe Recipe Binder. Is that it? Let me see.
It's on that little piece of paper that you took.
I know it's Swift Cube. I'm just looking and clicking it to see if it's the right company. Whoop. I don't think this is the right company yet. It's Swift Cube. Swift Cube is the company. Swift Cube is the company.
SWIFT.
Oh, great gift for a new bride. Oh, GMG said got it. Got it? Oh, yeah. GMG got it. Yes, you did. Yes, you did, GMG. That's the one.
Get right down there.
And PC Phil got it too. GMG and
so
PC Phil.
GMG. Is
that the right one?
There it is. Swift Cube.
There it is. This one is a nice one, you guys.
So let's have a look at this fancy monkey.
Oh my gosh.
Everything, all the creamy lemon drizzle cake.
Oh,
Whose mouth is watering now?
this looks so neat.
Saw recipe cards and printouts. Oh, premium gold foil. Let's scrape that gold off and put it in our bank before we put it on the wheel.
Well, guys, this is going to go on the prize wheel.
That's going on the prize wheel. Who would like to win this? Oh, look there. Oh, there's those little lemon slices. I really love this part. I really love the conversion chart here.
You think that's pretty cool?
Yeah, you know, because if you're like, okay, I need the recipe calls for a quarter of a cup of cocoa. I don't have cocoa. Oh, I do have some unsweetened chocolate over there. And how much is that? 1 ounce. Boom, done.
Love it.
Recipe interchange.
I love that. That's cool. That would be useful for me.
Look, look, it looks pretty. It looks lovely. It'd be a great gift.
Oh,
really good gift.
PC Phil said, we have one already. My wife has a bookshelf of recipe books. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool.
All right, so where'd it go? What's over here?
It's over there. I threw it up there.
Okay, so that is on our wheel, and you can win that. That'll be there on Wednesday.
And I believe they will send us a discount code for that. I'll reach out to the company.
Yeah.
I did reach out to that company for you, PC Phil, and they just said no. I was shocked. They said no. They weren't willing to give me any kind of a code.
So GMG and PC Phil.
Yep, looks like they got it. Awesome. Loki said, "Hi guys, I'm late to the party today." You know what? You're never late. You just showed up at the right time.
Loki, we just spun the wheel and gave away a Ferrari. And your name came up 8 times, but you won. But don't feel bad, you're here now.
Speaking of wheel spin, we should probably
go ahead and
Let's spin that wheel.
I got to get all these right people on it.
Make sure we got everybody in there.
So GMG and PC Phil get a draw for getting it. And who guessed it?
Doris. Doris.
I thought Doris did it.
Doris did guess it.
And I put Evan's family. That's where I'm confused. Evan's family is Aventa. Sound like a network marketing company. Have you tried Aventa? All right.
They always come up with weird names, don't they?
They do. Who would like us to spin this magic wheel and see if you win a prize? You got to be, Loki. Did I put Loki's name on it?
Let's make sure.
Got to put Loki's name on there.
Make sure.
Loki's here now. Just in time to play the spin the wheel game.
I said Loki.
I know you said it, but I was in the midst of.
You were in your own head.
I was doing stuff.
All right, we got Loki in there.
I was doing stuff where
just in time. Anybody else just in time? Spin the wheel.
That's right. You got to be here. You got to say hello. Your name goes on the prize wheel. We spin the wheel. Then you say, "I'm here. I'm here. I'm here" in the chat. Then we go over the prize wheel and see what you won.
All right, let's do it.
Boom, bop, bop. Bop, bop. Oh, 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 oh. Oh! Aurora Husky
that
Dog.
Close to Dana, that close to Dana. And it hit Aurora Husky Dog, Aurora Husky Dog.
Insert dog with headphones.
Insert dog with headphones. Oh, Jimmy just joined us. Jimmy, we'll put you on the prize wheel in just a second. We're going to see if Aurora's here. Aurora has to say hello.
Aurora Husky Dog, say hello, say hello. Type in the chat that you're here. So let's see if you won a
Aurora left. Oh, no. Scroll up. Oh, did she leave?
Can you see?
She's so sweet. She always pops in. Well, a lot of times she lets us know that she's leaving.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, I might not have missed it though. But yeah, she'll be like, "Hey guys, take my name off the wheel. I gotta leave." But we leave her on there anyway.
Oh, we'll leave her on there.
Yeah. All right. Well, let's.
Well, I don't know. Should we wait till she comes back? Just amuse yourselves for the next 10 minutes while we wait.
No, I think what you should do is I think you should add. I think you should add Jimmy to the wheel. Jimmy, you got in just in time.
I think I've already got Jimmy on the wheel.
No, Jimmy just joined us.
Really?
Yep.
Oh, that's a Freddie. Sorry. You guys sound the same.
All right. Give her the 30-second timer.
You guys get mistaken for twins, Jimmy and Freddie.
Let's
go. It's like a joke. Jimmy and Freddie walked into a bar. Ouch. They should have looked where they were going. All right.
All right, let's do this.
Should we respin? Has anybody said respin yet?
I am saying respin. Do it.